Imagine a world where your home sparkles with cleanliness without the need for harsh chemicals. Picture yourself effortlessly tackling the toughest grime and stubborn stains with a powerful tool that makes deep cleaning not just easy but also enjoyable. This Pure Enrichment Pureclean Steam Cleaner, a game changer in home maintenance. This innovative device promises to revolutionize the way you clean, combining efficiency, versatility, and eco-friendliness in one sleek package. Ready to discover why this steam cleaner is a must-have for every household? Let's dive in and explore its remarkable features and benefits. The Pure Enrichment Pureclean Steam Cleaner is a powerful, chemical-free cleaning solution. Its large 1.5-liter water boiler heats up to 208 within 8 minutes, providing up to 45 minutes of continuous steam. This high temperature ensures that it can effectively dissolve and remove dirt, grease, and grime from various surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. This feature is particularly beneficial for homes with children and pets, as it eliminates the risk of exposure to toxic cleaning agents. What sets the Pureclean Steam Cleaner apart is its comprehensive set of 17 premium accessories. These tools allow you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you need to clean floors, upholstery, windows, grout, grills, cars, or more, there is an accessory designed for the job. The easy roll wheels and 16-foot cord with built-in wrap, along with 2 extension wands, provide exceptional maneuverability, enabling you to clean both indoors and outdoors efficiently. This steam cleaner is safe to use on a multitude of surfaces, from ceramic tiles, laminate flooring, waterproof wood floors, and carpets to windows, upholstered furniture, fabrics, mattresses, kitchen ovens, countertops, toys, baseboards, bathrooms, vehicles, and BBQ grills. The Pureclean Steam Cleaner can handle it all. Its gentle yet powerful steam effectively purifies and eliminates stains, leaving your surfaces clean and sanitized. The Pureclean Steam Cleaner excels at purifying and dissolving everything from stubborn floor stains to encrusted grease in the kitchen. The steam jet nozzle and utility brush attachments are particularly useful for targeting hot steam to blast away caked-on dirt, grease, and grime without the need for harsh chemicals. This feature makes it an excellent choice for cleaning ovens, grills, and tile grout, ensuring a deep clean that leaves surfaces looking new. Ease of use is a key feature of the Pureclean Steam Cleaner. The device is straightforward to set up and operate, with intuitive controls that make it accessible for users of all ages. The steam lock switch allows for continuous steam flow, making it easier to tackle large cleaning tasks without interruption. Additionally, the compact design and built-in cord wrap make storage convenient and clutter-free. Maintenance is also hassle-free, as the accessories can be easily rinsed and cleaned after use. Investing in the Pureclean Steam Cleaner is a cost-effective alternative to expensive cleaning services. This multi-purpose tool allows you to maintain your home's furniture and surfaces with precision, saving you money in the long run. Its powerful steam cleaning capability ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and stains are effectively removed, providing a professional-level clean at a fraction of the cost. Imagine you're preparing for a family gathering, and you notice your kitchen floor tiles have accumulated grime, or your oven has stubborn grease stains. The Pureclean Steam Cleaner can tackle these issues with ease. Simply attach the appropriate tool, let the water heat up, and start cleaning. The high-temperature steam and powerful suction ensure that your floors and appliances are left spotless and sanitized. For pet owners, this steam cleaner is invaluable. Pet accidents on carpets and upholstery can be challenging to clean, but the Pureclean Steam Cleaner makes it effortless. The combination of high heat and powerful steam penetrates deep into the fibers, lifting away stains and odors. The variety of tools included also means you can easily clean pet hair and dander from furniture and car interiors, maintaining a clean and allergen-free environment. Pure Enrichment stands behind the quality of their products, offering a guaranteed 5-year warranty on the Pureclean Steam Cleaner. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. Should any issues arise, Pure Enrichment's customer support team is readily available to assist with troubleshooting and resolving any problems, ensuring you get the most out of your steam cleaner. Conclusion: the Pure Enrichment Pureclean Steam Cleaner with 17 accessories is a versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly cleaning solution for any home. Its ability to clean a wide variety of surfaces without the use of harsh chemicals makes it a valuable tool for maintaining a healthy living environment. The comprehensive set of accessories, combined with its ease of use and compact design, ensures that every cleaning task is handled efficiently and effectively. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your home clean and sanitized, the Pure Enrichment Pureclean Steam Cleaner is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. With its powerful steam cleaning capabilities, versatile accessories, and ease of use, the Pureclean Steam Cleaner is an indispensable tool for any household. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills, stubborn stains, or pet messes, this steam cleaner delivers impressive results, making it a worthy investment for a cleaner, healthier home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.